Okay, to remove a hard drive from a Phaser 4510, first remove this thumb screw in the back. You may need a Phillips screwdriver to start it, as these can be a little tight. Once the thumb screw is loose, remove this access panel. You'll need that Phillips screwdriver again to remove these two other screws. Which then allow you to remove this access panel. Once that's done, you'll actually see the hard drive. You'll note that the hard drive is mounted on these plastic standoffs. Very carefully with either a pair of needle nose pliers or, alternately, with a flathead screwdriver. You'll want to press on each of these tabs while slightly pulling up on this baseboard. You're going to press on both sides and carefully remove this. It can be a little tricky. There we go. That one's starting to go. You can feel it when they let go. Do your best to try not to break these, as you'll want to reuse them. I have to use quite a bit of force to pull on this, and at the same time as you see, there you go. You can overdo this just a little bit. It can get a little tricky. Be careful, try not to cut yourself. Once you got all four of those unsnapped, pull up on this drive, move it out. You can now remove the ribbon cable. Careful, remove the ribbon cable as straight as possible so you don't bend any pins. Okay. So once you've got that undone, unclipped, you want to remove the ribbon cable, making sure to not bend any pins in the process. Try to move it as straight as possible. Once that's done, you can remove the hard drive from this board. Now you're going to need a hex bit to do so. And there you go. The board is removed, and there's your hard drive. Now you can replace a hard drive or wipe it or whatever you need to do to it. Obviously, you want to remount your hard drive, stick it back on those pegs again, and just reverse the process, put it back together. And there's how you can remove a hard drive from the Xerox Phaser 4510.